Hello, my name is Rajiv and this is the Coding Ninjas project of SuperHero-Hunter. Currently we are on the home page. At the top of the page we have a navbar to navigate between home and favorite page. Initially we have nothing in our favorite list. In the home page at the top we have a heading, then a search bar, and then we show list of 20 heroes by default. Each hero card has an image, name and a button to add the hero to your favorite list. By clicking on the button, we receive a notification that hero is added to your favorite list. We can add multiple heroes by clicking on the button. But if we try to add a hero that is already there in the list, we receive notification that hero is already in your favorite list. Now let's go back to the favorite page. Here we have list of all the heroes that we selected for favorite list. To remove an hero, you just have to click on the remove button and we receive notification that hero is removed. To know more about a hero, you either click on the image or name of the hero and you will be redirected to the superhero page, which will tell you more about the hero, like his stories, series and comics. To go back to the home page, you can either click on home or the website logo in navbar. Now let's search a hero by entering his name in search bar. And as we can see, as we enter the details, we receive the result based on our input. Here again, if you want to know more about an hero, you just click on his image and you will be redirected back to the superhero page. In case if we enter an input that is not in the API, then we receive message that there is nothing to show, try something different. Now let's see the code. Here is our code. Currently we are on index.html file. First let's see the folder structure. We have an API info text, which is to show the timestamp, public key and hash key used in making the API calls. Then we have a folder named pages, which contain all the other HTML pages. Then we have a asset folder which contain three more folder. First one is for all the CSS file, then the second is for all the images, and the last folder contain all the JavaScript file. I have used Bootstrap for styling the pages in all three HTML page. Each page has mainly two sections. The first one is for navbar and the second section is the main container of pages which contain their respective data like page heading and card of heroes. Now let's see the JavaScript file. Script.js file is for the home page. Here we first created an array named favorite, which is to store all the favorite heroes. Then in this script file we are making different API call based on different data. Like here we are fetching the data for the character name. Here in this function we are fetching API for first render, which is normally list of 20 heroes, and here we are fetching the data by character ID. Similarly in superhero script, first we are getting the hero ID from local storage, which we have stored in local storage, and then we are making API calls for different URLs like for character stories, series and comics. And in the favorite script we are getting the favorite heroes array from local storage, and then one by one we are adding the hero card to the display. We have two style files. First one is style.css, which is for all the three HTML file. Common styling, we have style our scroll bar also, and then a single hero.css file, which is for superhero.html file to give some additional styling to the specific page. So this is all about the project. Thank you.